So today I'm down here at Gig Harbor. I'm going to do a 1,250 mile review of the Rad Rover, and I'm going to do a comparison of my friend's juiced ripped current S current. What's it called?
Juiced Rip Current S.
Rip Current S. So I'm going to take my face off the video and I'm going to start shooting some stuff. So my Rad Rover has performed extremely well. 1,250 miles. So this is the front tire, 1,250. And I just replaced the back tire with, my friend gave me some of his Kendalls. And basically you can expect about 1,000 miles out of the front tire and the back tire. And the brakes. The brakes are really easy to change. Definitely 1,000 miles. I don't think you can go farther than that in the front and back, which is really good. Now see that cable there? The cable tends to stretch a lot, so I seem to adjust it about once a week, but there's no issues whatsoever. The batteries work good, everything's worked good. There's been absolutely no problems at all with my bike. I really like these panniers. So I've got the two sets I use all the time. One side is for tools, the other is for rain gear. I got some really nice cool rain gear. It's spelled K-U-H-L, I think it is. Anyways, wonderful rain gear, really good for wind, and carry those, really enjoy that a lot. So other than that, I think the bike's incredible. I'm about to have a 1,250 mile tune-up here next week, and we're getting it all set up. I want to do a comparison to my friend's Rip Current S. It's right here. Now, he's got one battery, and he can do 40 miles. Now, basically, there's a lot of extras I bought, but his pretty much comes stock as it is. It's a wonderful bike, I think, if you're over 200 pounds. I definitely encourage you to consider getting it. You can't test it though, you have to buy it online. It's got the same engine. I like the best it's only got one battery. And it's pretty much, he's pretty much got stock. He's got some extra lights here. I like these lights a lot. They're the, what's the name of the lights? Red Night Rider.
Night Rider. 1800s.
1800s. Nice, really nice. And we like the lights during the daytime. And then on mine, he bought me one for the back. I love the Night Rider. And we do a lot of pretty aggressive riding, and I definitely encourage you to get the lights. But his is a wonderful bike. It's I just think it's great. The setup's a little bit different. The bell is different, and the location of the power is on the left side, not the right side. But all in all, I've told probably half the people are over 200 pounds to consider getting the Rip Current S versus the Rad Rover. The Rad Rover, totally happy with it. So here's a final view of a beautiful destination, and thanks for watching.